Welcome to Holly Deli Rose. Today we're feeding the seagulls at Holly's grandpa's house. Okay, let's go, Holly. Let's go feed them.
I'm feeding seagulls food.
Let's go feed them. Okay, we're gonna feed them. Holly, got some food? Let's throw it. Let's throw it here. Okay. Whoa! Throw it here. Can you throw it there, Holly? Good. That's a good spot. Okay, they're starting to come. Look at them landing. Look at them. Andrew, can you get us some crackers? Look at them, Holly. Get another thing of crackers here. Oh, look at them all, Holly. Look at them. No, they're okay. Oh, look at them all. No, they're not going to bite you. Look at them all. No, they're not going to bite you. What do you guys think? Can you give Holly a couple to throw? Oh, they'll come back, Holly. Look at them all. Holly, let's see if they'll eat the cat kibble you threw out. What do you think, Holly? What do you think of them? There's a lot. How many are there? How many? 5?
A lot.
A lot. No, they're not going to bite you. You don't have anything for them.
Hold on.
That's good. What? Are you hiding? What scared them?
I don't find them. Poor birdies.
Here they all come back, Holly. They're eating the cat food that we put down too.
Stop fighting!
Are they fighting over it?
Yeah.
Are they fighting over it? I think they're hungry. I think they're loving your food. They're saying, thank you. Thank you for feeding me. They're eating the cat food now. go chase them away, Holly? Do you want to run into them? And go chase them all away? You want to go run in with them with Hunter? Scare them off. Go, Holly. Go.
Come on, let's go, Holly.
Come on. Thanks for joining. Chase them, Holly. Thanks for joining.